into Dartmoor. I'm about to go in here.
Go.
Just do it.
Sit down and slide away.
So cold. Jesus.
All at once. We've got to get in all at once.
You've got to go fully in.
How deep is it?
Three,
sit down. Sit down.
2, 1, go. Yeah!
I love life. It's cold. Yeah, I know. Honestly, it's so cold. It's not time. Time, just go. Yes. Get everyone. This is Gold TV. Everyone down. Guys, in 3, guys. 3. Going down.
I'm not going down.
3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go!
No, mate.
So James is being in his ear as per usual. Woo! I'm best watching it. Almost having some fun.
Catch. My son, catch.
That's a leech. That's a leech.
That's not a leech.
Not. Leeches don't exist in the UK.
They do. There's nothing like leeches. Are perfectly fine.
They just suck you.
I hate leeches.
It's me. It's Jamescape Chief Executive James Barber. I'm about to go fully underwater.
You're not doing that.
3,
No.
2, 1, go. That is beautiful. That's Jamescape at his finest.
Oh, don't say I'm not a boring guy, okay? I do random shit. I'm a pretty cool boss. So come work for Jamescape. You don't get paid.
So, you know, normal things on Dartmoor. What else can we say? But trust me, this is why we do gold. You know,
believe it.
these bunch of knows.
this goal win.
Hey, the cameraman, Niall, finally not behind the camera for once.
Oh, because my hair is terrible.
So, this is for the presentation. Tomorrow, day 4 of the hike.
Hickey.
Yeah, so we just had to set off from our last campsite
Ever.
as a team. They've dyed their hair blue.
Oh, if we sweat.
Let's do this.
It's actually the biggest and the best yet. Yep. Good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time it may be for you. My name is James, Jamescape TV, and welcome to the final day, day 4 of the Dartmoor vlog. We're here in Dartmoor on a fairly misty day, and we're all very happy because, and also a bit sad and sentimental because today is our last day walking ever for DofE. Yes.
Beth, where are we going?
An exciting occasion to the extent that 3 of our team have dyed their hair blue. So yeah, let's get walking because in about 15.5 kilometres time, you don't have to ever again. Woohoo! Woo!
Yes.
So we're here on day 4. We're about 3-4 kilometres in, and we're walking very slowly because we're currently recording by a nice reservoir. It's very pretty, and we're making good progress. We need to take some more breaks though, so it's going to be there way too early, and we have to complete our 8 hours of activity and goal. But the sun's coming out, and it's going to be quite a nice day to finish our DofE. Everything finishes today, which is quite sad, but it's quite a nice feeling, you know? It's a great moment.
Hey beautiful people. It's quite depressing actually because we've got a good friend over there. Look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this guy. So yeah, it was quite funny to be fair. Me and Niall were spectating a relatively enjoyable argument to say the least. does everyone feel that we've nearly finished?
Like 2 o'clock.
This is halfway. If you do a 180,
That means we'll get there about 2 o'clock.
are you ticklish?
He says that.
Yeah.
I know for a fact. Hurry up!
Come near! I will kill you! I will kill you!
Put your money on who would win.
Oh, Niall.
Niall or Tom.
Comment below.
He said it.
So James just broke a gate. Okay, so we found these rocks here, right? Why not?
Morning, good evening, good afternoon, good. No, I'm joking. What? Anyway, it is currently 28 minutes past 1 on Thursday, the 23rd of August 2018.
It's results day, people!
It is results day. Hope you did good to all those Jamescape Army members
I
and
failed,
Jamescape staff members who get their GCSE results back today.
Purely for the views, Jamescape, I'm about to open my GCSE results.
Here at Woking Station.
Mate, open it already. That's a fair mix. I got an 8 in combined science.
And in other news, we are still walking.
Beth is having a big poo.
No James there then.
Beth, how's the poo?
So yeah, we're walking. It's a pretty nice day, a bit too nice if I'm honest.
That's gorgeous.
Absolutely
Amazing.
gorgeous.
Don't give me stick. Here, have it back.
Yeah.
We're enjoying the beautiful weather here in Dartmoor on the last few K ever on DofE. Hello, and we're back somewhere that you might recognise. We're here somewhere that we are all this time a bit earlier, 4 days ago on Monday. We're now coming towards the end of our expedition, and it's quite a sad time. That way, Niall. And it's quite a sad time for us all as well. It's been a really emotional week and an emotional journey as we complete our goal to DofE. Yeah, so we're back where we started, on our way to Pound Tor car park. Yeah, so we will finish it all where we started it. But I want to, before we have our emotional end, our more emotional end, I want to say thank you to all you guys at home for watching and supporting us through this journey, for retweeting, for liking, for sharing, and for everything. You guys are the people who make DofE happen. But more importantly, a massive thanks to these guys behind me and Niall, who's holding the camera. Hey! Being in the vlogs and making them happen, because, well, there'll be no videos out of them all. Hello! Guys, we are here at the car park pretty much. We are now walking into the very end of Gold DofE. 80 kilometres, 4 days, lots and lots of training on our way, making our way to the car park, ready to say the words I have been waiting to say for far too long. Salud! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. My name is James, and welcome to another vlog. To the top, that means we can get home too. Yeah, so things are looking. Alright, guys, we're still lost. It's raining God. So we're walking on frozen sand at the moment.
He's only gone and fallen over again.
Oh no, James! James! Oh no!
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. For the time for you, my name is James, Jamescape TV, and welcome here to beautiful Newton-Hamlet. Welcome to Dartmoor. We're here today on our acclimatisation hike.
Hello and welcome to the vlog.
Right, so at Jamescape TV right here, a bit on our hike, we came across this. We're out! Of what? The danger zone!
Hello!
It's actually the biggest and the best yet. Yep. Good! Ow. 1, 2, 3, Jamescape TV Does Dartmoor!
Taking a video selfie actually.
Look, this is Someone just go!